The prone, lying resistance band lat pull-down is a home-friendly alternative to the seated lat pull-down machine. This exercise effectively targets your lats and your back without allowing you to create momentum with your torso to cheat, as you often see with the lat pull-down machine. Here's how to do it correctly. Attach a resistance band to a low, sturdy anchor point such as a post. Lie face down in a prone position on the floor. Extend your arms overhead to grab the resistance band handles, keeping your body in a straight line. Position yourself far enough from the anchor point to create tension in the band even when your arms are fully extended. Before beginning the movement, tighten your core and keep your lower body and legs in a stable position. Keep your head in a neutral position to avoid any unnecessary strain on your back. Exhale and pull the resistance band handles down as you drive your elbows to the outsides of your torso. As you pull, focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together and engaging your lats. Inhale, then under control, slowly extend your arms back overhead while keeping tension on the resistance band. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video demo every day.